In this lesson, we're going to look at how we can add and subtract rational expressions that have common denominators. Now remember, rational expressions follow the same rules as any fraction, and if you have a common denominator, you simply add together the numerators and keep the common denominator. So if we look at this example, we notice that the common denominator is x minus 7, so our answer is just going to keep that, and on top we're just going to combine like terms, in this case 3x plus 2x, which is 5x, and 5 minus 2, which is 3, so 5x plus 3, and that's actually our answer, 5x plus 3 over x minus 7. Now, I'm going to write another problem here. This time we're going to use subtraction, and we'll do a little more complex one. I'm going to use, get my pen ready, I'm going to use 4x squared minus 5x over 2x squared minus 1, and then we're going to subtract 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 over 2x squared minus 1. Okay, now again, it doesn't matter how complicated or how simple the denominator is. If it's the same, it's a common denominator, and this has a common denominator right here of 2x squared minus 1. So I know that my answer right down here is going to have 2x squared minus 1 as its denominator. And now at the top I'm going to combine like terms, but I have to be very careful here. I need to think of this one as being in parentheses because this negative sign has to apply to all three terms. We're going to need a negative 3x squared, a negative 2x, and a positive, because negative and negative is positive, a positive 1 right here. So we have to be very careful here. So I'm going to say 4x squared minus 3x squared, which is just going to be 1x squared, or just x squared. We don't have to put the 1. And then I'm going to do negative 5x minus, because this sign right here changes because of the minus sign in front. Negative 5x squared minus 2x is negative 7x, not x squared, but x. Negative 5x minus 2x is negative 7x. And then we have out at the very end the negative 1, which is going to become positive 1. Again, when we apply a negative to a negative, it becomes positive. And there will be our answer, x squared minus 7x plus 1 divided by or over 2x squared minus 1.